What's up, yeah? So today, we're buying a forged carbon hood for the BMW M4. Yes, we passed inspection. Things have moved on, but we're buying the carbon hood. It looks like a beautiful thing. Let's get it done. Look at that, freaking gorgeous. Forged carbon F82 hood. We got the GTS scoop right there. This is gorgeous, guys. Look at that, wow. This is gonna look insane when we actually throw it on. Can't wait. Just look at that forged carbon. That is beautiful. You can see the freaking glow, the shine. Gorgeous. Guys, I feel like a kid at a candy store. They have so much cool stuff here. Look at those. Those are beautiful G80 rims. I could be wrong, but I think those are the G80 comp rims. Freaking gorgeous. I need some of those for my M4. How beautiful. But we'll see. We'll see what we do. We'll see how it goes. They have so much stuff here. Look at these carbon fibers, guys. Carbon fiber fenders. Look at that. That's the driver's side, that's the passenger. Whew. We don't have enough money for the carbon fiber fenders, but we'll be back another day. All right, it's okay. For right now, we're getting the GTS hood. It's still looking great, yeah. It's looking absolutely insane. So, we bought the hood. Yeah, we bought the hood. And now we're gonna take it home in this crazy way because my wife's car, the BMW X4, does not have that much space. But we're gonna make it work, right? What are you gonna do? We're gonna strap it down and we're gonna take this home. But I will be back for those carbon fiber fenders. What a tongue twister. I will be back for the carbon fiber fenders. That's gonna be crazy. We're gonna have a forged carbon hood and carbon fiber fenders, the passenger and the driver's side. It's gonna be crazy, guys. The whole front end is just gonna be carbon, except the front bumper. Maybe I should get a carbon fiber bumper as well. We'll see. But yeah, it's gonna be crazy, guys. Can't wait. But for today, it's just the hood. So we got it back home. Yeah, we brought it back home. We're back with the M4. I know we're in a new location. You always see it at not my house, but here, we're home. And yeah, here we go. I'm gonna take this terrible hood off. We're gonna put the forged carbon on. It is gonna look beautiful. Here we go. Changing the hood. No more silver. We do have to still do something about this fender though, because this fender still needs body work, but it's not as crazy as this. This is very noticeably bad. But this one is not as noticeable, but it's more fixable. So we'll see what we do. But I reconsidered what I was saying about the carbon fenders for the simple fact that if I did get the fenders we were discussing earlier, this would be carbon, this would be forged carbon, this would be carbon, but this would remain silver, which would just be odd. I think it would interrupt kind of the flow of the car. So we'll see what we do. We'll see. Check in the trunk to see if these screws in as well. Should I just leave it like this for weight reduction, guys? Gotta lose at least like 100 pounds. Y'all let me know. Gosh, it looks so sexy. Whew. There we go, guys. That thing looks freaking sick. Look at that. Oh my God. I gotta put the M4 logo on it because it looks odd without it, but come on. That thing looks freaking sick. Way better than that junk. That looks freaking crazy. Wow. Forged carbon. Whew. That thing looks freaking insane. Look at that, guys. I gotta get the M4 logo because people are just gonna there have a clapped out 4 Series, and I promise you, I do not. Damn, this thing looks crazy. Look at that, guys. Whew. Now, the next thing I want to do, I want to carbon fiber wrap the roof. Yeah, because it looks like a 4 Series, and we can't have that. All right, this is a M4. All right, you see the M wheels, you see the M logo. This is an M4. All right, so we're gonna carbon fiber wrap the roof. I think that's the next step. And yeah, this thing looks crazy though. We do gotta fix a little bit of the fitment, as you can see. It's a little bit off, or maybe you can't see it well in the video, but it's a little bit off. But this thing looks like a brand new car. Look at that. With the G80 freaking headlights, this looks gorgeous. Look, carbon fiber on carbon fiber. We're gonna get intakes too. We're gonna put intakes right here. It's gonna look crazy, guys. Yeah, let me know. What do y'all think? Comment down below. A random guy just gave me a thumbs up. Everybody who's in a Beamer, you can see him in the distance. He's in an 8 Series. But yeah, let me know. Comment down below, guys. What should I do next? Yeah, we're definitely, and you know what's great? I just found this out recently. This, my father told me, because he's the master mechanic. He was looking underneath. We don't have cats. And I don't know if it was the muffler or the resonator, but they deleted that as well. So this car kind of sounds crazy. Yeah, it does. I just turned it on in my indoor garage. I could barely hear myself. It was that loud. Yeah, it's crazy. But yeah, so we're not gonna do any work to the exhaust. It's already sounding loud. We're definitely gonna wrap the hood. We're gonna get the intakes next. Those are the 2 next steps. Yeah. Am I gonna get downpipes? It's a BMW. I fear I may have to get a catless downpipe and a tune, but let's see, guys. Let's see. But y'all let me know what I should do down below. Have a good one, guys. Have a good one.